rush to submit our assignments. Some of us are very good at it. If the assignment is due at 12 at midnight, we would rush and submit it at 11:59 seconds, including me. Anyway, that was all fun that we had in Amberwall and on the campus. Today, we are also filled with excitement about our bright future as we step into the next chapter of our life. Today, we look at everything around us in pleasant surprise and wonder how time feels. We are also excited to realize how much we have grown since arriving here. And it is difficult to express how we feel. For all of us here, it is a moment of honor to acknowledge with pride our hard work and our contribution towards the success of each person here. When we arrived at Carnegie Mellon, we walked around looking up at everything in awe, the diversity and richness in people, the resources we have, the great staff and friendly faculty. We are so happy that we are here, a place that has shaped our minds for the challenges we have to face and gave us the strength and support to discover who we are and accomplish our goals. Theodore Roosevelt, the 26th President of America, says, "A man who has never gone to school may steal from a freight car, but if he goes to